there's baby birds in there. Oh, they are moving. They're shivering. We're going to go check on the other ones. It's under our deck, so we have to be careful. There's under there, they're over there. Right there.
They're still just eggs.
Yeah, there's eggs, so they're still just eggs. But it looks like they're gonna hatch. See, that one looks like they're...
They're definitely gonna hatch soon.
Yeah. They're definitely gonna hatch really soon. Whoa. I wanna go see those other ones again. There's...
They need their mama back.
What?
They need their mama back.